How to use a crypto wallet like MetaMask. Go and download MetaMask on your Chrome browser or smartphone. Now set up the account and get your seed phrase. A seed phrase is your wallet recovery and it's tied to your wallet address. Think of this as a password that lets you access your wallet on any device. Because these words are your password, anyone that has access to them can reload your wallet anywhere in the world and therefore have access to your coins. So keep this very safe. Go to settings and add networks. Add all the EVM networks like Ethereum mainnet, BNB chain, Polygon, Avalanche C chain, and many more. Add tokens. Go over to CoinGecko, click on the crypto that you want to add, go over here and click copy contract. Then go to MetaMask, click add token and paste the address. Boom, you've just added the token and can now see all of your balances. Deposit. Go up here and click copy on your wallet address. Go to a crypto exchange like Binance, link in description to a deposit bonus. Buy a crypto and click withdraw. Paste your MetaMask wallet address right in here and send. You now have full custody of the cryptos in your wallet.